Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can restore and back up your messages on WhatsApp. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, I'm going to show you how you can restore your messages. So first of all, you have to uninstall the WhatsApp app, and after then you have to reinstall it. So here you can see that I have just reinstalled it, and then you have to log in with your phone number to restore your messages. So after logging in, you will see an interface like this. So it will look for backups. And then if there is any backup chats, then you will see a window like this. Normally click on this restore button to restore your messages. So for this video, I'm going to skip this as I don't want to restore them. And now I'll show you how you can back up your messages. So normally you have to click on this three-dot bar on the top right corner, and from here you have to choose settings. If you scroll down a bit, you will get an option chats. Click on it. Now you have to go on the bottom and choose chat backup. And from here, normally you can choose a Google account. For example, here you can see that now selected. I'm choosing an account now. I'm choosing this account. And then if you click on this backup button, then all of the messages are going to be backed up on your email address. And that's it. We have successfully backed up our messages to WhatsApp. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to back up and restore messages on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.